Hello, welcome back to another update on the fundamental analysis as a part of the 2022 market research. The Python module spreadsheet with ODS extension. So you would be able to use the Jupyter, also the ODS extension. You can even use like Microsoft to open it and work around. And I believe that I'm done with the work. So if you want me to talk about like each line for the function declared here, let me know. I will try to make another video. If that's not the case, I'm totally okay with that. And so far I have been able to basically create a CSV file, Python programming here. And the results I will show you later. As promised on my update, previous update, I was able to double check the work here with the spreadsheet. I have encountered two major issues. The first one is, as I'm trying to input the values here, I had input like wrong values, and I had to double check like my input from the spreadsheet. The other main issue that I encountered is that the names are very different. Some of them are very different, and it's very hard to see which part that I'm doing wrong as I try to match with these big companies such as Yahoo Finance or investing.com. The metrics that they have, some of them are very close, but they're not the same. And at the same time, like some of them are like way off. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. So if you do know what I'm doing wrong, for example, for this company, let me know. And I will try to improve in the future and fix that also with the next project. Okay, this one is basically comparison. So it makes life a lot easier in order to sort them and picking the winner in this case. Anyways, so once I finish the invoking the function here, the export is basically this. And I have given a glimpse of this last time on my update. So that's that. Okay, so moving on. Next week, we'll try to work on the technical analysis. And I probably use the Pine programming as the trading view is like very cool to work with. So I probably just use that platform to basically code some stuff and basically work around it. Again, the files are completed, so I'm happy with that. So the first one is the Python, the second one is the spreadsheet. All of the materials that I have here will be also posted on the GitHub. If you want to try it out, you can also look at there. And the GitHub link will be in the description below. And I will see you in the next video.